Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to completely uninstall Visual Studio Code. In this, I will show you how you can remove all hidden files and folders left over configuration. Let's get started. Step first, uninstall VS Code from Control Panel. We will uninstall the main application first. Click on Start and search Add or Remove Programs. In this search list, you have to search Visual Studio Code. You will get this application. We have to uninstall this. Click on uninstall. This will completely uninstall. That removes the main program, but there are still some files left over. We have uninstalled VS Code from control panel. Now, step second, delete VS Code app data. For that, press Windows plus R and search percentage app data percentage and hit enter. In opened folder, find and delete folder named code. In this open folder, we have to find code folder and we have to delete this completely. Click on code folder and press shift delete. This will permanently delete. Have to hit on yes. This will completely deleted. This folder stores settings, extension, user snippet and cached data. Step third, delete user setting from user profile. Open File Explorer, hit enter. We have to go in local disk where we have installed VS Code. Click on users, click on next users, and here we have to search for .vs code, this folder. If you have existed this .vs code folder, we have to delete it. We have to click on .vs code folder and press shift delete and click on yes. This will completely deleted VS code files data. Restart your computer to make all changes take effect. Thanks for watching, and that's it. You have completely uninstalled Visual Studio Code from your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.